Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge with only 2 ingredients, full guide. Melt chocolate and sweetened condensed milk together over low heat, stirring constantly until smooth. Pour into a lined dish, tap out air bubbles, and press toppings if you like. Chill until firm, then slice with a warm knife for clean edges. Store in an airtight container for up to 1 week. Gather 12 ounces of chocolate and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, plus any optional mix-ins like nuts or sea salt. Chop the chocolate into even pieces so it melts consistently, and set a small saucepan over low heat. Have a lined dish ready so you can pour immediately when smooth. Cooling quickly in the fridge helps texture, while slow chilling keeps a softer bite for spoonable fudge. Quick recommendation: if you love keeping treats fresh, try those leak-proof containers for easy storage and transport. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. I love popping fudge squares into those containers for lunches and gifts, and they keep everything neat and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Melt chocolate and condensed milk slowly over the lowest possible heat, or use a double boiler to prevent scorching. Stir gently and continuously until silky. Stop heating once fully combined. If graininess appears, a small pat of butter or a teaspoon of cream can smooth it out. Pour into your prepared dish, level the top, and add any finish like flaky salt. Chill until set, then slice and enjoy with tea or coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.